children, how are you today? I'm Miss Shira, and today I'm going to take you through English. But before we look at that, I have some small activity for you. It's about listen and write. So please get a piece of paper and a pencil. Are you ready? I have some listen and write for you. We are going to do 5 numbers. Number 1, write the word mother. Number 1 is mother. Number 2, sister. Number 2 is sister. Number 3, write brother. Number 3 is brother. Number 4, niece. Write the word niece. And number 5 is nephew. The last word is nephew. Good. Now today we are going to have this one. We have a family tree. So do you all know what a family tree means? Or in your words, in your opinion, do you know what a family tree means? Here we can simply say a family tree is a breakdown of family relations. A breakdown of family relations. Now here I have my family. We have Mr. Mwanje, we have Mrs. Mwanje. As you can see here, we have their children. This is the part of their children. Then we have this part also for grandchildren. Yes, so here we have Mr. Mwanje. Under his children, we have Birunji and Mrs. Birunji. We have Sarah. We have Musa and Mrs. Musa. Are you able to see that? Then under Musa's family, we have Afar. And then under Birunji's family, we have Doreen and Darren. Now, as you can see our family tree, I have some questions for you. So look at the pictures very well. Look at my family very well so that you're able to answer these questions. So I have this question here. Okay. Can we all look here? Can we read this question together? Let's read number 1. How many children does Mr. Mwanje have? How many children does Mr. Mwanje have? Who can tell me? Let's go back to our family tree and we count the children of Mr. Mwanje. Here is the family of Mr. Mwanje. I told you this part is for the children. So we have this one, we have Bilunji, we have Sarah, and we have Musa. So how many children are there? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. So how do we answer if they ask you, how many? So we say, Mr. Mwanje has 3 children. Mr. Mwanje has 3 children. Okay, I have another question. Number 2. Let's all read this question. How is Sarah related to Doreen? How is Sarah related to Doreen? This is Sarah and here is Doreen. Who can tell me how is Sarah related to Doreen? And remember, Doreen is a daughter to Mr. Birunji. Doreen is a daughter to Mr. Birunji. And as you can see, Birunji is a brother to Sarah. So how do we call, or what do we call a sister to my father? So how can we call a sister to Doreen's father? So how does Doreen call Sarah? Yes, Doreen calls Sarah auntie. So when we come back to our question, how is Sarah related to Doreen? we can say Sarah is Doreen's aunt. Sarah is Doreen's aunt. As simple as that. We have another one. Here we have. Who can read for me this question? Let's read together. How is Birungi and Musa related? How is Birungi and Musa related? Here is Birungi and here is Musa. How are they related? Which connection do they have? Do they share the same parents? Yes, they share the same parents. So how are they? I think they are brothers. So we can say Birungi and Musa are brothers. Birungi and Musa are brothers. Or we can say Birungi is Musa's brother. Birungi is Musa's brother. We can take those two options. Birungi and Musa are brothers, or Birungi is Musa's brother. I have another one. Okay, here we go. How many grandchildren does Mr. Mwanje have? How many grandchildren does Mr. Mwanje have? I told you this part down here is for grandchildren. So how many grandchildren are we seeing? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. So how many grandchildren does Mr. Mwanje have? We can say Mr. Mwanje has 3 grandchildren. Mr. Mwanje has 3 grandchildren. Good. We can also form more questions. So I'm going to ask you more questions. How does Birungi call Mrs. Birungi? How does Birungi call Mrs. Birungi? I have another one. How is Darren? How is Darren related to Arthur? How is Darren related to Arthur? So please, learn this family tree, go through it, and answer my questions. I'm going to leave you with some work, so please give it time, check the spellings and the way you're answering. Thank you.